All right, guys, the long-awaited moment, 37 weeks, time for Five Guys. I am stoked. All right, now, quick little thing. I have Lactaid that I already took because I'm gonna have a milkshake because I don't want my digestion to be destroyed the rest of the day. I have my glucose disposal aid. We'll take 2 caps of that, and then I have Tums in the car in case I need it on the way home. But let's go in here. Let's smash them Five Guys. I cannot tell you how excited I am for this. I love it. One of the things that you'll find is that since I dieted my fucking balls off, this is gonna be enjoyable. If I cheated on my meal plan, I would not truly enjoy this. But I earned it, let's get it. Hello, can I do 2 cheeseburgers?
You want that single or double?
Double, please. And they'll both be the same, so ketchup, mustard, onion, pickle.
You want the onions raw or raw?
Raw, please. And then can I do a little fry, a regular drink, and then a Oreo milkshake?
Do you want whipped cream on that?
Yes, please. All right, so because health and fitness, we're gonna do diet Sprite we're gonna go strawberry today. There's an inside joke between John and I that the diet soda at Five Guys is like super anabolic, makes you grow more. So we're gonna suck one of these bad boys down, if not 2. I love filming for you guys, but know that this slowed the process of me eating by at least 15 fucking minutes, and I'm not happy about it. Go time. Burger 1. Ready for a wow moment. Oh. Do you like the butt fries from Chick-fil-A?
Absolutely not.
I hate them. Same. I was thinking about when I went there post-show to ask them to not have that in there. Wait, can you pick those out? Burger number 2. Because honestly, you cannot have too much cream in an Oreo. Single stuff, that's for fucking prisoners. What am I gonna say? I just tell them I'm diabetic and I need it. My blood sugar was negative 63. I need 1,000 grams of carbs to get it up. When you diet for 37 weeks, you can look like an absolute piece of shit when you eat and be covered in your own crumbs. And I'm sure Angela's like absolutely disgusted with me, but she knows how it goes.
I'm gonna give that a thumbs up.
That's Angela approved. Maybe she'll rub my belly after this. Last snack of the day here, and I'm gonna cut it off. They're laughing because they say that I'm not gonna eat anything on the way home. I do have another Mac cookie dealer over here, so they're probably right.
No, that ain't no good.
Whoa.
And a Reese's piece.
The amount of people who are looking at me because either my tan or me just sitting here smashing shit food.
That's where I came. Aaron, isn't it?
All right, guys, there you have it. That's round one for the day. Just wrapped up my contest season for 2021. That was by far the absolute best I ever looked. So now I'm gonna get the rest of today. It's right after 2 o'clock. Had this meal with my family. Go home, shower, till I get this damn tan off, and then we will take a nap, and then it's back for more food. So we'll probably go to Firehouse, get some subs because that just sounds really good to me right now. But that may change. We might go get a giant steak and some potatoes. We'll see. But kind of wrapping up what we just did there, I did 2 burgers, little fry, milkshake, diet soda, and then hammered my cookie dealer, which is amazing. That was the funfetti cake, and then some Oreos. Did a Reese cup, and I think that maybe I missed one. I don't know. Let's play that back. Clearly, I'm in a sugar coma. That is the most food I've eaten in a singular setting in literally 37 weeks. But anyways, I thought you guys would enjoy that video. Like, share, subscribe. Comment below what your favorite cheat meal spot is, and then maybe we'll do one there in the future. We will have some more cheat meal videos coming in the future. So if you want to see one in a specific spot, we did Chick-fil-A after round one. We did Five Guys tonight. So if you want to see another one, comment below, and I'm happy to take you there. We got Oreo is life. This is an Oreo My Cookie Dealer. Ice cream. Magic shell. All right, you have to finish it because listen, if you're gonna be a fat ass, I don't do anything halfway. It's all or nothing. Most stuff Oreos in whipped cream and Oreo cookie dough, my cookie dealer, out of the air fryer. You know what would make this better?
Gosh. Wait for it.
Wait for it. Fucking Nutella. Because the cookie needs icing, of course. There we go. And honestly, I just want to eat this Oreo because it looks that good. Guys, legit the best cookie.